Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to learn more about Bionumeric 7 and the innovations since version 4. We are proud to say 7 is our most user-friendly and flexible software product so far, with great databasing power and excellent user security and traceability. We invite you to discover all the new functionalities covering the existing applications, as well as the new applications in molecular typing technology. In short, Bionumeric 7 is the most user-friendly databasing and analysis platform, able to handle nearly all your types of biological data. Apart from storing and analyzing electrophoresis fingerprints and sequence data, including data obtained with next-generation sequencing technologies, Bionumerics also handles multi-spectra, character data, whole genome restriction maps, and more. Moreover, different data types from one sample can be stored under one single entry in a logically structured database, together with all its metadata. With bionumerics, you can therefore easily combine different kinds of data in one analysis, using a myriad of analysis tools, improving the reliability of your conclusions and decisions. In bionumerics, you can define import and analysis templates, which will greatly increase your data throughput and save a lot of time. If needed, manual editing is always simple and intuitive. We offer free plugins for many applications, which will greatly facilitate your analysis. The fully scriptable environment of bionumerics offers a high level of customization to respond to your specific analysis, visualization, and publication needs. Finally, selected data and analyses can easily be shared with colleagues, or backups of full databases can easily be taken and exchanged. Since version 4, the interface of bionumerics has been completely redesigned, with easy-to-use flexible toolbars and panel configurations, and fast and accurate zooming. It's now possible to fit almost any combination of entries or analyses on one screen. Thanks to an intuitive import wizard with customizable templates, importing data into the database has become a child's play. As such, bionumerics is now even more a central tool to manage, combine, and compare all laboratory files and results in one single environment. New to the software is the much appreciated multi-step undo and redo functionality, the online help repository with details on algorithms and explanation on how to use the software, and the fast text-based search to quickly find what you're looking for. The default database engine of bionumerics was adapted to match the ever-increasing amounts of data. So Bionumeric 7 now offers powerful, unlimited databasing possibilities. With its object-oriented design, there is great flexibility in the database management and an even greater flexibility in the searching and creation of custom views with the entries of interest. Users can define levels and relationships to accommodate their specific data logic, for instance to deal with duplicates and replicates, or to store patient information on a different level than the sample information obtained from a specific patient. With the user security tools and the audit trails module, Bionumeric 7 is a highly secure and traceable environment that allows for compliance with the strictest GLP regulations. In Bionumeric 7, gel image processing and band editing has vastly improved. Fast band matching algorithms allow to compare a new pattern to thousands of profiles in less than a second. Automatically assigned bands can easily be edited manually directly in the comparison window, and named band classes can be saved in the experiment type to be reused for processing of the next image. As a new addition to the fingerprint data module, Bionumeric 7 now applies dedicated algorithms to analyze fingerprint data obtained from automated sequencers. This results in much faster pre-processing and highly reliable normalization, with powerful peak searching algorithms and tools for noise removal, bleed-through mapping, and stutter peak detection. With the new spectrum data type, Bionumerics includes a completely dedicated environment for the analysis of multispectra, LCMS, or ESI data, also within the fingerprint data module. With the tools for automated peak calling and workflow templates for import, pre-processing, resampling, filtering, and summarizing spectra, you can perform very fast and reliable analyses of spectrum data obtained from any platform. It was never easier to do peak matching, compare spectra, and perform peak class analysis. In the last few decades, sequence data has immensely gained importance in all fields of biological analysis. Bionumerics has evolved to accommodate for these technological advances, with many new useful features in the sequence assembler and sequence viewer windows. Users can now import or download sequences in any of the most used data formats. Inspecting and editing config assemblies is easy in the new assembler window, and it can be done directly after uploading many sequence trace files simultaneously. When in doubt, you can now display and edit the raw sequence trace files directly in the sequence viewer window. New and updated features of the sequence viewer include blast analysis, subsequence searches, frame analysis, annotation, restriction enzyme analysis with virtual gel visualization, and primer design. To provide all the necessary tools to handle next-generation sequencing data, the sequence data module now includes the sequence readset data type. This data type supports all commonly used sequencing platforms and allows for comprehensive pre-processing and quality control in demultiplexing, handling of paired end reads, trimming, and chimera detection. Several tools are present for the calculation of global statistics and the creation of complete reports and visualizations. As a separate data type, sequence readsets can easily be compared to each other using all available analysis tools in the software. Assembly of NGS data in Bionumerics 7 is highly intuitive and user-friendly thanks to the Power Assembler interface. With project templates, a chain of actions can be built, saved, and reused, which greatly increases the throughput and reliability of your NGS project. All commonly used algorithms for de novo assembly and resequencing are available, as well as in-house developed algorithms for final config alignment. With a few mouse clicks, a full report can be generated, in which all parameters and intermediate results of the assembly are included. Bionumerics also offers highly useful tools to work with large sequences after the assembly. Newly obtained sequences can be automatically annotated against one or more references, with easy manual editing and BLAST connectivity. The reference info and user input can then be saved along with the annotations in the database. You can perform very fast multiple alignments of chromosomes and use the intuitive interface to evaluate them. You can easily calculate SNPs and mutations and use them in subsequent analyses. Besides all this, new and updated functionality in Bionumerics 7 also includes fully integrated tools for microbial community characterization using deep sequencing of phylogenetic markers. With the proprietary cluster significance tools, it's easy to assess the reliability of clusters for any clustering algorithm and datasets. For the classifiers and identification functionality, the powerful cross-validation framework allows for improved evaluation of the identification results. In Bionumerics 7, you can define and use powerful decision networks, which are operational workflows that carry out logical operations and actions on the database automatically. Since version 4, the export options for data and images have much expanded, and many new or updated plugins have been released. Bionumerics offers compatibility with a large number of third-party hardware devices and software tools, including the Diversilab system, the Obgen Argus system, or spot typing software. Finally, you can count on free support via email and telephone, as well as free minor upgrades. We regularly organize workshops at our offices in Belgium or in Texas, but also at your institute upon request. Don't stay behind on the revolutions in molecular biology. Upgrade your old license to Bionumerics 7 today. Read more about the different modules and applications on our website and request your personal quote or an evaluation license.